Hello everyone, welcome to Zoho Creator Learning Table Series. This Learning Table Series is a month-on-month session which is held at the first Thursday of this month. In this series, we usually take an industry, discuss about all the industrial automations required for that particular industry, and also I'll discuss about making a solution out of Creator in order to provide that automation. So in that flow, this month we are going to talk about an industry. Before I reveal it, let me introduce myself. This is me, Preeti Venkatesh, and I'm going to be the trainer of today's session. So now let me say the industry. So this month we are going to talk about retail industry. How Creator can be made as a solution in order to provide certain business operations for this retail industry. So before I move on into the session, let me give you some housekeeping rules. All the attendees in the session will be on mute. Please post your questions in the question tab, which is available in the left corner of your screen. My co-trainers will be actively answering those questions. And don't worry, a recording of the session will be sent to all the registrants post the session. And please participate in the polls in the surveys that will be conducted at the end of the session. So let me go on to the actual part of the session. So this is the agenda with which we will be driving you people throughout the sessions. So in these participants, few might be new to Creator. So in the first part, we will discuss about the introduction to Zoho Creator. So what is Zoho Creator and what we can do with that. And also we'll discuss about the industry retail. As the second pointer, we have taken a business operation called as discounted sales for this retail business. We will discuss in detail about how this discounted sales is managed in the actual part. And then as the third point, we will discuss about the application flow that is used to build an application with the help of Creator for this discounted sales. And as the fourth point, we will discuss about the features and the integrations that are used to enhance the application that we are going to see. And at last, we will see the live demonstration of the actual application. We will discuss about the other use cases and we will summarize the session and we will wrap it up. So this is going to be the agenda. If you have any doubts regarding this agenda, you can post it in the question tab. So now let's start the session. So introduction. What is Zoho Creator? Zoho Creator is a low-code application development platform that helps us to build custom application with just the help of drag and drop option and minimal coding. So this Zoho Creator application helps us to develop the application. We can build seamless integrations and we can manage all our analytics in a more enhanced way, and we can provide all the process automations just with the help of one platform. This also helps us to create a custom solution to enhance the productivity of your business. So this is Zoho Creator. So in the right side, you can see a picture. Zoho Creator can fit into all industries. It can help automate many major business operations in vast amount of industries. So in this flow, this month, we are going to talk about the retail business or retail industry. So as you all know, retail is nothing but a sale of goods to the consumers directly. It involves the process like, as a retailer, I'll purchase the goods directly from the manufacturers or through the wholesalers and sell it to the consumers. This retailer can manage their store in different ways. Either they can manage a physical store, or they can perform an online store, or it can be a combination of both. So this is the actual process or the actual working of this retail business. There are some major business operations that needs automation in this retail to make it more convenient. So the first business operation is going to be product inventory. As a retailer, I should manage my inventory in a well-versed way, like managing all my purchase orders, managing all my product stock, and all these things comes under this business operation, product inventory. And second business operation is going to be procurement. So once a product is out of stock, as a retailer, I should manage all these stock levels, manage all the vendors or the wholesalers who are going to provide the product. All these operations comes under this product procurement. And next operation is going to be the major one in this retail business, visual merchandising. So once I purchase the product, manage the procurement, I need to display the product in an easy way for the consumers to make use of it, or for the customers to make use of it. There comes into the play visual merchandising. Our next operation is going to be the major breakdown of this retail business, that is point of sale. So after buying the product, managing the visual merchandising, there comes the place where the sales will happen. The customers will buy the product, we'll be providing the invoice for the product. All these operations comes under the point of sale operation. And next is going to be customer service. If a retailer is managing either a physical store or an online store, the customer feedbacks and managing their needs and requirements comes into major play. And at last is going to be the store operation. So this involves the employees working for the store, merchandising the products in the right way, managing the discounted sales. All these operations comes under the store operations. So why I'm pointing out these operations, in the sense these are the basic business operation that is involved in this retail business. For today's session, we are going to take a operation named as point of sale and how this can be automated with the help of Creator as a solution. So we will be talking about retail's discounted sale. So what is the basic steps involved in this discounted sale? So we have just divided this discounted sale into 4 stages. As the first stage, determine the discount strategy, like what type of discounts we are going to provide and on which duration we are going to provide. So all these discount strategies should be calculated as the first stage. And the second stage is going to be the product inventory. So we have to update the discounts in the product inventory and have to check whether the product is available in order to match the discounts we are providing. And at last is going to be the price calculation. So after adding the discounts, what is going to be the price when we are selling it to the customers? So all these things should be managed in the second stage, update the inventory. And next stage is going to be the major one, promotions. So after adding it to the product inventory's price, we have to promote it to the consumers. Like we have to communicate it to the customers, stating there is a discount available from this date to this date, and we have to display the discount promotions in a well-versed way for the customers to easily manage it. So this is going to be the third stage in this retail's discounted sale. And at last comes the point of sale. Like once a sale is made, we have to apply the discounts on the bill and we have to track the sales analytics along with the discount duration. And we have to check what is the profit we got out of this discount sale. So this is going to be the major stages involved in this discounted sale process, general discounted sale process. Now we are going to see an process flow that is used to build the application on top of Creator in order to fulfill this discounted sales needs. So the first step for building an application is going to be dividing that application into different modules or steps. Here, for the point of sale with discount, we have segregated that application with 4 different modules. The first module is going to be the product inventory module, where all the stocking level, restocking levels, purchase order, vendor management, everything happens in this first module. And second module is going to be store information. Here, store information involves, in our scenario, we are going to manage different stores for a single store as a branches. So we need to calculate the store products that we are allocated, the employees working in the store, or the billings or the sales that is made in that particular store. All these things will be managed in the second module, store information. And the third module is going to be the discounts. So the major one for our application. We'll come to this in the live demo. And fourth module is going to be billing or point of sale. After applying the discount, how it is going to affect in the billing or the sales. So these are the 4 different modules that are involved in the application that we are going to see. So let me elaborate the first module, product inventory. Here we didn't build the custom inventory management in the application. Instead, we are using an Zoho product named as Zoho Inventory in order to manage all my stocking, restocking, purchase order and everything. So from that Zoho Inventory, we are going to fetch the product informations like product category and the product's actual product information and store it as the main inventory in our Zoho Creator. Also, this restocking as well occurs with the help of Zoho Inventory. So this is the first module, product inventory. In the second module, it comes the store information. Like if from the main product inventory, I need to send the product or supply the product to each and every stores along with the product category, price, net price that we are going to provide and everything. So from that store product inventory, the employees will manage all the visual merchandising, sales and everything. And also they will manage the billing. So with this process itself, our point of sale works in a very perfect way. We have a Zoho inventory to manage the main inventory, and we have the store information module where it manages all the billings for each and every store. But to our case, it's going to be discounts. So as a discounted sale, first step is I need to manage what type of discount I'm going to provide. So here we have categorized the discounts into three different ways: category discount, product discount, and the store discount. In the category discount, it will be getting added into the product category, and from the product category, it will be applicable to both the main product inventory as well as the store product inventory. So the discounts will be added in both my main product and my store product inventories. This is the first type of discount. And the second type of discount is going to be product discount, the actual product discount. It will be added into the products module, main product module, as well as the store product module. So all these calculation will be running in my application. And at last is going to be the store discount. As the name says, it's specific to each and every store. This store discount will not affect the main inventory at all. So these are the three different types of discounts that we are going to provide in the application that we are going to see. So after providing all the discount, there comes the billing part. So we have to add all these discounts and add it into the billing module. So this is going to be the application flow that is involved in the application that we are going to see in the live demo. So before we see the live demo, let's discuss about few features and integrations that are used to enhance the application that has been built with Creator. The few features are going to be, and the first feature is form and scheduler workflow. So here, as you noticed, there are different types of discounts. There should be calculations running at the background in order to apply those discounts in our billing part. So we are using something called as form workflows to manage all that discount calculations. And next is going to be the scheduler workflow. So here, once I apply a discount, it will be applicable from this date to this date. That is the duration of the discount. So once the duration is end, automatically the discount should get deleted from the product inventory, right? So we are using a scheduler workflow in order to manage that task. And then we have something called as integration creator. So as I said before, the first module, product inventory, we are not managing any custom inventory. Instead, we are using Zoho inventory. So here we are using the integration creator to connect my Zoho Creator and Zoho inventory to manage all my stock and the product informations. So this integration creator is nothing but helps us to connect two applications without any line of code. This is one type of solution that is available in Zoho Creator inbuilt. And next is going to be BI and analytics. As the name says, it helps us to build reports, customized reports in order to track all our sales and the discounts that we give. So here we'll be using something called as BI and analytics. This is also one of the solution which is available in Zoho Creator. We'll be using that to manage all our sales tracking process. And at last, it's going to be the report properties. So here we have a feature called as report properties, inside which we have so many things like combined reports. Here, once I click on the product, I can get to see all the product informations along with the store it is and discounts it gets. So we'll be using something called combined report layout in order to visualize those things in a single page. We will see in the live demo how it works. And then we have something called as record template. So once the sale is made, we have to print the bill or the invoice and give it to the customers. So for that we need a template. So we'll be using something called record template in order to print and design the invoice that we are going to provide it to the customers. So these are the features that are used in the application that we are going to see in the live demo. So if you have any doubts or questions regarding the process flow and the features that I have discussed about, you can post it in the question tab. And now let's see the live demo of the application. So this is going to be the Zoho Creator's main dashboard, inside which we have an application named as Retail. So this is the application we were talking about in the presentation. So now let me open the application in the new tab. So in the left corner, we have all the modules and the forms that we just discussed in the presentation. The first one is the dashboard. We'll come to this dashboard later. And second is going to be the product category, where I manage all my products categories in a single view. And then we have the actual product inventory. That is the main product inventory, my warehouse. So in this place only, where whatever product I'm just adding it in the Zoho inventory will be getting added in the product inventory as well. Once a restock is made as well, it will be added into my product inventory. And next is going to be the store information. As I said before, in my case, I'm managing different branches of my store in different location. All those store information will be captured in the store module. And then we have all store products. That is, this is the main inventory, and this is going to be the store-wise inventory. So here all the store-wise products, this informations will be displayed. And then we have the discounts module, where what are the discounts that are already applied will be visualized. And then we have the billing part. So where whenever from a store a bill is made, as an admin of this application, I can get to see all those information. And under reference, we have all the store employees information and all the customers information. Till now, from the dashboard till the front, these are going to be the admin view of this application. And from this dashboard, it's going to be the store view of the application. So here, if this dashboard is meant for store, so now we cannot see any information. Only the store login people or the person who has been logged in as the store owner will just get to see the store view. Their store employees, store product, store-wise discounts, all these store level informations will be visualized in the second half of my application. So now let's see it one by one. So first, let's start from the product category. So we have already added up to 8 categories here. And then we have discounts as well. For now, for the electronics and the toys and games, the discounts are already applied, and it is applicable in the billing. Now, if I want to add one more category-wise discount, simply I can just click on this button. It will open a discount form where I can get to add the discounts. We'll come to this later. Similarly, we have the main product inventory. So whenever I add a product in my Zoho inventory, it will get added over here, right? So this is my Zoho inventory, where I can manage all my purchase order, vendor information, expenses, purchase orders, bills, and everything. So in this part, whenever I add an item that is purchased from using this purchases, it will get reflected in my Zoho Creator. Let me try to add a product and show you. So I'm just going to add a book. And this is going to be the stock unit number for the product that we are adding. So when whatever number I'm adding it over here is called as the stock unit number, with which we are going to generate the barcode for our main product inventory and unit. And then we are going to add the selling price. I'm going to add the selling price as 1500 INR. And I'm going to give the description as Harry Potter books. And I'm going to add it into my inventory asset. The opening stock for this product, Harry Potter books, is going to be 200. And per rate per unit is going to be 1500 again, and when the reorder level reaches 10, we will be managing the restocking of this particular product. So now let me click on the save button. Once I click on the save button, this product will get added into my product inventory of my Zoho Creator. So we have the product added over here now. If I go to my Zoho Creator's product inventory and refresh it, now let me refresh it once again. So it will get added. Let me show you how it is working at the backend. So here we have something called as Integration Creator, with which we are connecting our Zoho Creator and the Zoho inventory. Yeah. So the product has got added already. The product name, available quantity, restock level, selling price, net price, whatever details we added in the Zoho inventory would have got added over here. If I want to edit the product, I can just simply click on the edit button and I can edit it. So let me try to add a picture for reference. And this product comes under the category books and stationery. And this is what I was talking about, stock unit number. Whatever stock unit number we gave over there, according to that, we are creating a barcode. So which we can just later print and update it in the product before sending it to the stores. And apart from that, selling price, net price, everything has got added over here. So if I update it, those information will get updated, and under books and stationery, a new product would have got added. So if I want to print this barcode, simply I can click on the print barcode. You can get to see the barcode that has been generated. We will see in detail about how it is working in the backend now. It's not opening. It's okay. So this is how the barcode will look like. So once I click on the detailed view of this report, I can get to see all the informations about the particular product along with the category discount and the product discount. Till now, we didn't add any category discount and product discount. Once we add it, it will get reflected in the detailed view. And apart from that, we can also see for what are the products we have, what are the store we just gave this product, and also the category of the product, everything will be displayed over here. So this view is called as the combined report, which we can create it with the help of the report properties. So on a single page, we can get to see all the informations of a particular product. And apart from that, if I want to add any discount to this product Harry Potter book series, I can just add it by clicking on this custom action button. So now let's go back to the integration creator and see how we are connecting our Zoho inventory and the Zoho creator. So as I said before, integration creator helps us to connect to a different application with no line of code. So here we are just fetching the items from the Zoho inventory and creating a record in the Zoho creator. So if I click on the edit button, this is just a form inside which we fill all the information that the inventory needs and the creator needs. So with no line of code, we are just pushing the items information from Zoho inventory into Zoho creator. A detailed documentation on how to create this integration creator will be shared in the chat. You can refer to that as well. So this is how the integration is getting happen. And next is going to be the barcode. Everyone will get an idea about how the barcode is getting generated. So in the edit mode on the right top, I can get to see something called edit this application. When I edit it, it will take me to the edit mode. Under workflow, we have form workflows. Under products, we have written a very simple code in order to generate a barcode. So for the barcode number, that is the stock unit number that we are getting from the Zoho inventory, I'm just creating a barcode with an external URL Metaflow. That's it. So it will be stored in the image field. On load of the form, this is getting happen. So this is how we are generating the barcode. And in the report workflow, we have written something called print the barcode, which is just printing the barcode that we saw in the live mode. So here, let me print it again and show you. You can get to see a template like the barcode image and the number of the barcode is getting happening. So this template is designed with the help of record template. In the edit mode under settings, we have something called as record templates. This will help us to design the templates that we want to print or we want to download. So here we have the bill and barcode. So this is the barcode image and the barcode number is getting displayed. In the bill, we have a invoice template that is built. We will see where we are using this invoice template in the upcoming part of the session. So this is called as record template, and also a detailed documentation on how to create this record template will be shared in the chat. You can refer to that. So this is all about the main product inventory, how we are pushing it from the Zoho inventory to Zoho Creator, and how we are managing the barcode and everything. And next comes the store information, like the name of the store, this location of the store, and the employees, discounts, everything comes under the store information. So I can add the name for a store, the location of the store, and I'll be adding the store timings over here. And under contacts, I'll be adding a store manager. If I click on add new, I can get to add a new employee as well as a manager. And store contact number, store email address. So whatever email address I'm giving in this part, for this particular email address only, we will give the login access for our creator account for the particular store. So let me show you with the example. Let us take this Ambattur store. We have a sample email address, mails to carry. So to this email address, we are giving the user access to this particular application. In order to create the user access, let me go to the Zoho Creator's main page again. So in the left corner, I can get to see something called as users. Under users, I can add a user for a particular application. So if you notice that for this retail application, I have added this particular person as a store manager. So once they log in into the application, this is how the application will look like for them. They can get to see all the store KPIs, the employees, product information, store discount, all other information will be displayed. We'll come to this again. So this is how we are giving the login credentials and adding a particular login ID, store manager as an user. And from there, he can manage all the store level operations. So this is how we are adding a user and giving the access for the store as well. So if I want to, as an admin, if I want to add a store employee, I can just simply click on the button. It will open the store employees form where I can add a new employee. He will get added into the store. And also if I want to add any store level discounts as an admin, I can add it with the help of the discount form. So this is how we are managing all the store informations. And next is going to be the store product. So every time a product is getting added into the main inventory, I have to give it or supply it to the product inventory as well. That is store product inventory as well. So now in the product inventory, this Harry Potter series books are going to be a new product, which I'm going to segregate and give it to all my store. Now let me add it to the Ambattur store alone. The product is going to be Harry Potter series, and for the Ambattur store, I'm planning to add it. This is going to be the quantity that is available in the initial stage. Now let's say I'm going to add 100 to this particular Ambattur store, and when the product reaches reorder level 10, I have to notify it to the admin. So admin will process the restocking level, and then the stock status is going to be filled. So now once I click on the submit button, this particular product will be added into my store product inventory. As an admin, I can see it over here. As a product manager or store manager, they can see it in their login details. So now they can see the product which has been added. The stock quantity is going to be 100, which is allocated to this product, and the reorder level is going to be 10. So this is how we are just adding a product from the main inventory into the store product inventory, and this is how it is getting visualized as a store manager login. So now next step is going to be discounts. So as we discussed before, we are going to provide 3 types of discounts: category wise discount, product wise discount, and the store wise discount. First, let's start from the category wise discount. Let me go with the newly added category, books and the stationery. So once I click on it, I can get to see the category wise discount. So I can choose what type of category we are choosing, books and stationery, and what type of discount value. Either we are going to provide the discount in percentage or the amount. So whatever we choose, if I choose percentage, according to the percentage value we are giving, it will get converted and the discount will get added to all the products in my category. Or if I choose amount, according to that it works. Let me go with the amount. 100 rupees discount, we are providing it from today till 31st, and I'm going to name it as festive sale. So once I click on the submit button, the category wise discount will get added for the books and the stationery. So to our flow, this category wise discount, that is 100 rupees amount, should get displayed in my main inventory as well as my store product inventory. So if I go to the product category under books and stationery, you can get to see the discount that we added in the discounts form. And similarly, in the product inventory, you can get to see the change that has been made. The actual price we gave was 1500. We gave an 100 rupees discount for this books and stationery category. It is getting reflected. So once I click on the detail view, I can get to see the changes, that is we gave a category discount. After calculating that, the net price is going to be 1400. This is our main product inventory. Now, if I go to store product inventory as well, you can get to see the changes that is made. The actual selling price was 1500. Now, after adding the discount, it is going to be 1400. So this is how we are managing all the category wise discount. Similarly, let's try to add a product wise discount and see how it is getting worked. So now let me try to add a product wise discount for the same product, Harry Potter series. So at this time as well, I'm going to give it an amount, and I'm going to give the amount as 100 rupees INR. It is going to start from till today till 31st. I'm going to give the name as festive sale. So once I click on the submit button, the product wise discount will be added to the Harry Potter series. Sorry. Now, if I go to the main product inventory as well as store product inventory, this amount should get reflected. Now, if I go to this main product inventory, now you can get to see it has been reduced to 1300. If I go to the detail view, I can see the category wise discount has been given as 100. Also, the product wise discount is given as 100. Calculating that, we can get to see the net price changed as 1300. So here itself we can get to see the store wise changes as well. So the product unit price, this now 1300 after adding the category discount and the product discount. So this is the purpose of using the combined report, where we can see all the related blocks view in a single view. Also, a documentation on how to create this combined report will be shared in the chat. You can refer to that as well. So this is how we are managing the category wise discount and the product wise discount, which will get reflected in both the main inventory as well as the product inventory, store product inventory. Now let's see how the store discounts are getting managed. Similar way, if I try to add a store type discount as an admin, I have to get to choose the amount of, the store information over here. And this time as well, I'm going to give the same amount, 100 rupees. So it is going to start from today till 31st. And I'm going to give it as festive sale. So once I click on the submit button, this 100 rupees amount will get reflected in all my products in the Ambattur store. So if I take the product, I can get to see the changes that has made. So 100 rupees discount has been made. Now let's take the Harry Potter series itself. Actual main inventory price was 1300, but now the price is 1200 because I added a store discount for this, all the products that is available in my Ambattur store. I'm sorry, I'm just trying. Yeah. So this is how we are managing the discounts. So in order to do all these calculations, we are using a feature called as form workflows. So under edit mode, again, we have the workflows option where I can get to create too many types of workflows. Under form workflows, under discounts, we did all the calculations that we saw in the live mode of the application. So this is how we are working with the discounts. And next comes the last module, which is going to be the billing module. So every time a bill is raised from my store manager or from my store level employees, it'll get, as an admin I can get to see it over here. As a store employee, they can get to see it over here. Now let's discuss in detail about how the store level view of our application will look like. Dashboard, we'll come to this dashboard at the end. Next is the employee information. All the employees in my Ambattur store will be displayed over here. And the product information, all my products that are added from my main inventory to the store will get reflected over here. And all the store level discounts will get reflected over here. And as an employee or as a cashier, I can add the bill with the help of this bill form. So now let me choose the store as Ambattur and let me choose any one of the existing customers for now. Or if I want to add a new customer, I can simply click on this new. I can choose the store and I can just give the name over here. Phone number and the address. So once I click on the submit button, the customer will get added into our account. And for this customer, let's try to add the products. So here I've used the lookup concept. So all the products that are allocated to this Ambattur store alone will get reflected over here. Now let's say he's going to buy the Harry Potter series book. This is going to be the initial stock that is given to this particular store. Now let's say he's going to buy 92 of this from this stock. According to that, the total and subtotal and everything will get calculated. And if you want to add the tax, we can add it. This calculation is also happening with the help of the form workflows. So once I click on the submit button, the stock should be getting reduced from the initial stock. So under all bills, I can get to see the bill which has been added now. If I want to print the bill and give it to the customers, obviously, so we can use this print button option. So in the starting of the session itself, we discussed about record template and we saw a template that is built for all the bills we are raising. So we are just printing that template and we are just providing it to the customers. So now let's see how we are going to manage the stocking. So this person has purchased out of 192 products. So now if I go to the store product, I can get to see only 8 Harry Potter series books are available in my stock. So we have to reorder it immediately. So if I go to my dashboard, I can get to see all the informations like the count of the books, count of employees, customers, and the quick access for all my forms and reports and the KPIs, the sales made for the day, and the reports. Everything is available over here. In the center part, we have a division which shows all the restocking reminders. So in this restocking reminders, you can get to see the Harry Potter series book is out of stock and it needs an immediate action. So once I click on the restock option, it will just take me to the Harry Potter series books and I can just simply click on the notify option. So the admin will get notified about the low stock level. So, and the status now has been changed from full to out of stock. If I go to the admin's view, I can get to see the notification that is made. The product Harry Potter series book is out of stock. So once I click on this notification, it will take me to the detailed view of the report. If the product is available in my store, obviously I can just click on available button and fill it out. Or if it is not available, that is out of stock, I can just simply click on out of stock and I can go to my Zoho inventory and restock my product, which will get reflected into my place and I can provide it. For now, since the product is available for this scenario, I'm just clicking on the available button. So if I go to my store level view, if I refresh it, now we can get to see the store product that has been updated and the restock level is built. If we want to give this stocking manually as well, we can provide it with the edit option. So this is how we are just performing the restocking of all my products. So as an admin, I can also get to see all the billings or the sales that has been made in the store level operations. As an admin, I have a dashboard where I can get to see all the product informations, the map, the location of all my stores, and this is what I was talking about, all my analytics. So in order to build all these analytics, we are using something called as BIN analytics, which is one of the solution that is available in Zoho Creator, which helps me to build automated dashboards and reports with the help of ZI assistants. So I can just embed any of my report inside my Zoho Creator for my admin sales tracking purpose. So this is how we are managing all our analytics as well. Apart from this, we as we discussed about, we are using something called as scheduler workflow. So whenever, let's take a discount for an example, this discount is applicable from 10th of January till 31st of January. So after 31st of January, obviously this discount should get subtracted or removed from all my products. So in order to perform that, we are running a scheduler workflow, which will, after the end of the particular discount sale, which will just make the product discount as 0 and change the net price as the actual selling price. It is applicable for all the store, product, and the category. So for this purpose, we are running a scheduler workflow at the back end. Scheduler workflows are the timed action that happens without any user input. So this is all about the application that I wanted to showcase you for today's session. So if you have any doubts or queries regarding this application, you can post it in the question tab. So now let's discuss about other use cases or some extended use cases that we think about apart from the solution that we saw now. Supply chain management. Let's take the scenario back again. In our application, we are sending the product from main warehouse to the store, right? So we can, between that, we have to manage the supply, like movement of goods from one place to the another place. Using the supply chain management solution, we can manage all the inventory, we can manage the transportation of the products from one place to another. So all these automations can be done with this use case, supply chain management. And second, I wanted to talk about is the franchisee management. So in our case, we just talked about, like, we are managing different stores as branches. Let's say, like, I want to start it as a franchise. So as a company owner, I can just allow my individuals or businesses to operate with the brand name that I'm providing. So I can just develop the scenario, I can just create the agreement and provide it to the business people or the individuals. I can manage their marketing and sales, legal compliance. So all these few automations can be done with this use case, franchisee management. Apart from that, inventory management. So here we used a product called a Zoho Creator in order to manage the inventory. But if I want to build my own custom inventory model as well, we can do it. It helps us to see the process of ordering, storage, purchase order, procurement. All these automations can be customized with the help of this custom inventory management model. So these are the few extended or other use cases that we think about as providing automation with the help of Creator. So by this, we came to the end of the session. Let me quickly summarize what we saw in today's session. So in today's session, we just discussed about few of the major features of Zoho Creator in order to enhance the building of my application. The first one was integration creator. With no line of code, we just connected two different applications. And second, we discussed about the Reckitt templates, which helps us to build the invoice, barcode printing. So all these Reckitt data level structuring can be done with this Reckitt template. And then we have the form workflows. That is the major workflow, which helps us to do all the discount calculations and add it to the point of sale. And at last, we discussed about the scheduler workflow, with which this is just a timed action that happens without the user input. We have just used this scheduler workflow in order to remove all the discounts once the discount sale has been ended. And at last, we used the BI analytics to build the insightful reports, and we embedded those reports in our Zoho Creator for easy access. So these are the few features that are being used in the application that we discussed to enhance it. So if you have any questions regarding that, you can just post it in the question tab. So by this we came to the end. Let me talk about the upcoming sessions for your reference. So we have the Created Tech Connect series, which is completely a technical series about the Zoho Creator product. So in this series, in the learning table series, we saw about the calculations made with workflows. We saw about the scheduler workflows done, report workflows done. In this technical series, we will discuss in detail about how to do different technical concepts like how to build workflows, how to use deluge concepts, and everything. So in this series, this month we are going to talk about widgets and extensions in Zoho Creator, which is going to be held on Jan 18th, 4 p.m. IST. You can just register using either by scanning the QR code available over here uh, or by using the short URL link available over here. And also, for the next month learning table series, we have decided about going with agricultural industry, Zoho Creator for agriculture. So this is going to be held on Feb 8th, 4 p.m. IST. You can make use of the registration link provided over here to register. Also, my co-trainer will be sharing these registration links in the chat. You can refer to that and register from there as well. So these two sessions are going to be recurring sessions for the next 3 months. So once you register, you will get notified. You can make use of this short URL or the registration link and provide it to your colleagues to join as well. So I'm just leaving the session open for a few minutes. If you have any questions, post it in the question tab, which will get answered by now. And post the session, if you have any queries, please feel free to write to training@zohocreator.com. And also in this slide, we have the QR code for all the upcoming sessions. You can just register it by scanning this QR as well. So meanwhile, I'm keeping myself on mute. Please post your questions in the question tab. So we have this shared a poll. This is just to notify you about the group that we are going to start, in which we will be notifying about all the Zoho created trainings. If you are interested in joining the group, please share your email address in the poll. We will be adding you to the group. I'm saying it once again. We are planning to start a group to notify about all these Zoho created trainings. If you are interested, please share your email address. We'll be adding the email address to this group. So the registration links are displayed. You can just register using those links as well. And this is a recurring session. So once you register, you will get notified automatically every month. So I'm announcing once again, we are planning to start a group to notify about the Zoho created trainings. If you are interested, please give your question. Please give your email address in the poll that has been open now. So you'll get notified about all the training events in that group. So if you've already given, thank you. So by this, we came to the end of the session. Thank you so much for attending. We'll meet again in the next month's session with the next new industry. Thank you.